Hi everyone, and welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen. Are you looking for an easy, no-bake dessert that's guaranteed to be a crowd pleaser? Look no further. Today we're making the most decadent peanut butter bars you'll ever taste. They're rich, sweet, and have that perfect combination of salty peanut butter and smooth chocolate. The best part? There's only 5 ingredients, no oven required, and they come together in just a few simple steps. Trust me, these are going to be your new favorite go-to treat. So grab your apron and let's get started. We're going to start out with a 9-inch or 8-inch square pan. I have a 9-inch square pan. I'm going to take a piece of parchment paper, and I want it long enough to hang over the sides so we can use it like a sling. And then I'm going to spray it with some nonstick spray. Now we can just set this aside while we put together our ingredients. Now I'm going to put my ingredients in my new baby, my new little yellow KitchenAid, something I've been wanting for about 15 years and finally broke down and bought. We'll start out with a 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs. Now you can do this with a hand mixer or even by hand as well. It's a little harder by hand, but you can do it. And I have a 1.75 cups of powdered sugar and 5 tablespoons of room temperature butter. Now we're just going to cream this at about the second speed. Our butter is all broken up inside now. It still looks really granular. In fact, when it's all done, it's still going to look like wet sand. Now I'm going to add 1.5 cups of creamy peanut butter. You can use crunchy if you like, but I like it better with creamy. Now we're just going to mix it together until it's all well combined. I'm going to scrape down the sides, make sure everything gets combined well. I'm going to make sure that the peanut butter is not in lumps, otherwise you'll have a wet spot. Now it's all nice and smooth, and we're ready to put it in our pan. Now all we need to do is dump it in our pan and start flattening it out. You just want it in as even a layer as you can make it. I've tried using the back of a measuring cup or the bottom of a flat glass, but I think my fingers work better than anything. Okay, now we're ready to make our topping, which is our chocolate. Okay, I failed to show you beforehand, but I have a cup of chocolate chips and 5 tablespoons of butter, and I microwaved it for 30-second intervals, stirring between each one. It took me about 5 times to get it nice and smooth. Now we're just going to pour it over our peanut butter base. Now I'm just going to spread it out smooth. Now we're going to put it in the fridge for at least 3 hours. You can do it overnight. In fact, I made another batch that I left overnight, and I'll show you how it turns out. Okay, this is the one that I made yesterday, and you can see with the sling, it's real easy to just lift it right out, and I'll place it on the cutting board. And I like to cut them in about 2 by 2 inch squares. Thanks for for joining me today. I hope you have a blast making these unbelievably easy and delicious no-bake peanut butter bars. As always, the recipe is just below the like button, as well as the link so that you can print it out. If you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comments below how they turned out for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tasty recipes, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on what's next. Thanks again for watching, and until next week, have fun in the kitchen.